Hello class 5 students, I hope you all are fine. So today we again will revise this chapter and four more make sentence. I have given you homework but you have not submitted. So I'll do that one and I'll revise this chapter's question answers with you. Okay, so I hope I think many of them have not still have not completed. So when I revise this chapter, just complete the chapter through my revise or through your revise and write the question answers along with them. Okay, so why does the snail want to open its front door? So the answer is the snail wants to open its front door because the because it wants to it wants to feel the warm sunshine. Why does the snail want to open its front door? The snail want to open its front door because it wants to feel the warm sunshine. Understand? One more time I'll repeat so that you can write the answers. The snail want to open its front door because it wants to feel the warm sunshine. Number 2, what will happen when Mr. Blackbird sets his eyes on the snail? So, when Mr. Blackbird sets his eyes on the snail, first it will hop, then it will hammer the snail on the nearby stone. So, and it will not hear the stop word which is squealing out by the snail. Now, one more time, when Mr. Blackbird sets his eyes on the snail first, it will hop, then it will hammer the snail. So first it will hop, then it will hammer the snail on the nearby stone, and it will not hear the stop. Who is hearing this stop word? The hearing this stop word is when snail is telling that if he speaks stop, if he tells stop, the Mr. Blackbird will never hear it. So he mentioned, and it will not hear the stop word which is squealing out by the snail. Understand? Where will the blackbird hammer the snail? The blackbird will hammer the snail on a nearby stone. So the blackbird will hammer the snail on a nearby stone. The number 4, what is the question? Do you think that blackbird can have the snail for dinner if it become cautious? Do you think the blackbird can have the snail for dinner if it becomes cautious? No, the blackbird cannot have the snail for dinner if it becomes cautious. So the answer is no, the blackbird cannot have the snail for dinner if it's become cautious. And one more time. No, the blackbird cannot have the snail for dinner if it becomes cautious. So these are the 4 questions. Now I have given you homework but still now you have not completed. So today I will write over this homework in your book so that you can write after this class in your copy. So let's begin the make sentences. So the first question is everywhere. What will be the answer? So everywhere I go, they follow me. So you can make your own sentence also. Okay, just I am just giving you the idea. You can make your own sentence because this is make sentence using the words. You can make your own sentence. Just I am writing for the students who are not eagerly doing their homework or not appropriate, not means or he or she can't do. That's why I'm helping this one with this. Okay, every now and then. So every now and then. So one more thing, one more idea I'm telling you. Whenever you will do the home make sentence, no, which word you are doing particular, that word you just underline that word so that it will be teachers are this is the rules, or teachers can find it easily of which word you are doing the make sentence. So every now and then he regretted মানে ভুল, or he can পস্তানো, regretted his decision. Now, every other. This will be a little big, but then also I'll make it easy. This is different word. Well, for others, well, for starters, I would have had to compete, well, for starters, I would have to had to compete with every other guy in school. With every other guy. Guy means students, or you can say every other guy in school. You can make by yourself also another one. Now every single day you have to present in school. You have to present in school. Every single day you have to present in school. This is an order, okay? Exclamatory order. So one more time I'm telling you, every now and then you underline. Well, for starters, I would get every other guy, every single. So one more time I'll tell. Everywhere I'll go, they follow me. Every now and then he regretted his decision. Well, for starters, I would have had to compete with every other guy in school. Every single day you have to present in school. So I hope you have written already. So I hope you'll complete all the question answers. If try little bit new words and make sentences with them, so that it is good for you also. So I hope you understand. So thank you very much.